warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Marjanat Isri in front of you. Today I want to elaborate this picture, and this is from class 7 English book 70 page and 7.5. In this picture I can see all people are masked. So after seeing this picture I can say that that was the time of 2022 or 2023 because there are COVID-19, and for this reason all people are masked. So in this picture I can see a security guard who wore his duty dress, and he also wore mask, and in his left hand there is a mask symbol, and in his right hand there is a hand mic, and I think that he wants to tell all the people of the market that the wearing masks and the washing hands frequently. And in the corner there is a shop, and here I can see two people. One is younger boy and one is oldest boy. In this picture I can see the two boys also wear mask. I think the old man wants to buy a dress from the younger boys shops. So the younger boy helping to him for choosing a shirt, and the shirt color is purple, and that is a beautiful color. So that's all about my information. Assalamualaikum, and stay with us for the next video.